Speed matters. Is your website stuck in traffic or zooming ahead? Discover how VPS Hosting can put you in the first lane. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Monovm YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about the basics of VPS service. What is a VPS and how does it work? Watch this video to find out and don't forget to subscribe. Before diving into VPS hosting, let's quickly break down the basics of web hosting. Imagine your website as a store. To open this store online, you need a space on a web server. There are three main types of hosting. Shared hosting is like riding a bus. You share resources with many other websites, which can slow things down. Dedicated hosting is like driving a luxury car. It is fast and reliable, but can be very expensive and hard to manage or even maintain. VPS hosting is the perfect middle ground. It gives you the performance of dedicated hosting at a fraction of the cost. But how does it work? VPS stands for Virtual Private Server. Think of it as a large physical server sliced into several smaller virtual servers, each isolated from the others. Each VPS has its own operating system, dedicated resources, and full environment control. This means you get your own slice of a powerful server, complete with dedicated CPU, RAM, and storage. Plus, you have the freedom to install software, configure settings, and manage your server environment just the way you like it. So, why should you choose VPS hosting? Here are the top benefits. 1. Enhanced performance. With dedicated resources, your website loads faster and handles more traffic. 2. Improved security. VPS environments are isolated, reducing the risk of security breaches from other websites. 3. Scalability. As your website grows, you can easily upgrade your resources without any downtime. 4. Control and customization. Enjoy the flexibility to tailor your server environment to meet your specific needs. VPS hosting is ideal for websites that have outgrown shared hosting but don't need the full power of a dedicated server. Whether you are running a busy blog, an online store, or a growing business site, VPS offers the perfect balance of performance, control, and cost. Ready to take your website to the next level? With Monovm VPS hosting, you will experience superior performance, enhanced security, and total control over your online presence. Check out our detailed guides and start your VPS journey today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.